Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just like Gonzalez. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. I feel like this. I meant to put post notification bell ding, and then you'll do the big thumbs up. So guys, on my old channel, before I got deleted, you guys know that I said I would never eat takis ever again in my life. So I would say, well, because of the taki incident, that's why. But I'm not gonna get to that incident now. But a new video will be coming out on my channel called Story Time, and I will be talking about that incident. So I just gave away the new videos that will be coming out. So as you can tell, I'm doing a video outside. I never did a video outside, considering I am a weird person. So in all of my videos, if you watch my videos, you guys all know that I'm weird and I love to show it. But okay, so that's why. Also, there's a lot of people sitting on our porch today, like on their personal porch, because like it's nice outside. Why wouldn't you sit on your porch? So guys, I would say it's really like, it's like 60 something degrees outside. No, I would say like 70 or like 69 or 70 degrees, because it is so nice outside today. I'm surprised because it actually is September 10th. Today I was really down and sad because on my old channel, like I said, a lot of you don't know, but before my old channel got deleted, I vlogged my grandma's funeral, and she died on October 10th. So of the 10th of every month, I'm a sad person because it just reminds me of my grandma. But we're not gonna talk about that. So since I would say like 6.5, 7 years old, I have been eating takis. And I said I would never eat takis. I lied. Personally. But today I'm going to be eating takis again for the first time in forever. Because it's been, I would say, like about, what, like 2 years since I haven't eaten takis. And then I started eating takis again, but like, I don't eat them anymore, but like, I will take, like, my friends at school would offer me, oh, just I do this a taki. I'm like, yeah, only one, please, thank you. And I eat them, and like, my mouth is like blown up, like, it's like, yeah, because I haven't eaten my stuff for so long after since the incident. But today we're gonna be eating takis. As you can tell, I opened it already. Dude. Huh?
You haven't fixed the bike?
No.
I'm gonna see if I get that for you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna see if I get your brand new tire and the tube, put it to work. Alright?
Okay. Okay, thank you. So basically, guys, that was my neighbor. He gave me a bike, and we have to fix the tire because there's a flat tire on it. But yeah. So, you guys, you know that like feeling when you like smell something good and like see something delicious, and like your jaw just drops and your mouth gets watery? Shut up, when I smell these things. So yeah, it is me, Josiah Gonzalez. It is me, Josiah Gonzalez, and I'm French because I have a red mustache. Okay, let's go. Amen. Okay. So I don't want this incident to happen again, but I'm gonna do it with you guys because I love you guys. Let's go. Guys, this is kind of like an ASMR video, so enjoy it while you can. It's okay. It's not as bad, but it's really spicy. But it's not bad. So let's keep. As you can tell, I got my uniform on, and I'm not trying to dirty it because if I dirty it, my mother is going to kill me. Yeah. Like, she's not literally going to kill me, but I'm going to get in trouble. Huh? Yeah, I put it in the house.
I had to put my phone on the charger.
Oh, guys, so, that was... Okay. So, guys, that was me eating takis for the first time in forever again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up. And as you guys already know, I'll see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. There's a video, big thumbs up. And do that. Because from now on, I'll be posting every week. So I'll be posting once a week. But stay tuned because I will be posting different days each week. So I love you guys all so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.